Fresh Flow shoe trees are a modern supportive shoe tree that protects and aerates footwear during 95% of its life, when not on feet. The single mold, light as air structure is simple and tough, outperforming more complex plastic and wood alternatives. Quick and easy to use. Our durable and simple shoe trees provide daily crease and structural protection for sneakers, dress shoes, boots, runners, business casual footwear, cross trainers, lifestyle, and collectible footwear. 11 ridgeless air chambers promote interior airflow to keep shoes fresh while preventing bacteria and mold. A handy push-pull tab allows quick use while supporting footwear all the way through the midfoot and tongue. Engineered, tested, and produced in multiple sizes. Fresh Flow shoe trees is a patent-pending design that truly protects in seconds while supporting footwear for a lifetime. Whether running to the gym, catching a flight, or setting out on your next adventure, our shoe trees keep up without slowing you down. Try a 3, 5, or 10 pack of Fresh Flow shoe trees today.